like, oh my gosh, this would be so cute because this is like kind of a popular thing that's been going on this year with the kids, the Fortnite Floss. So I went ahead and created sort of like a stencil kind of layout. If you guys like this and you want to do this, I will have a link down below. We got a couple different carving sets. You may only need one. We got 2 just because we have all different sized pumpkins. We kind of went overboard and got a lot of pumpkins this year, and several of these little LED lights, and I will also link these products in the description. This bowl is going to be to hold the membranes, and this bowl is going to be for the seeds because I'm going to save them. I've done a little bit of research on the best way to preserve a pumpkin, so I'll show you how that's done as well. I've never actually done that with a pumpkin. I just kind of like carved it, cleaned it out, hope for the best. This is what I've read everywhere. This is how you preserve a pumpkin. The first step is to cleanse the outside of the pumpkin before you carve into it to prevent bacteria from entering. This is actually diluted bleach. If you mix 32 ounces, which is a quart, with a tablespoon of bleach, and then sterilize the outside of it, or you can sterilize the outside of it with just soap and water. Just using that, it's easier since it's a really heavy pumpkin. And then once it's all carved out, you do the same thing on the inside. You can just spray it with this bleach, and then once it's done being carved, you can put it in a bleach bath or an ice bath, and then keep it moisturized. I am going to just kind of show you guys this process. If you like this video, please like and share, and please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Let's get started.
Baby, whoa. Okay.
Okay.
Is this your first time carving a pumpkin? This way you don't stab yourself, okay? See? Dull edges. Safety.
What would I do without you?
So much easier.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hubby helped me get the top off the pumpkin properly. Now I'm separating the seeds from the membranes.
Sounds very scientific.
There's a lot. We have a pet pig. Yeah, thank you.
Mom, there's a seed on the paper.
Oh, it's okay. I just want to say this tool is awesome. Seriously, it's like amazing. You can use the side with the teeth or the smooth side. It's so great. I would buy the whole set just for this one tool. It's really good. And the spoon, all of it's been great so far.
Ooh, looks legit.
A lot of seeds from that pumpkin. I'm going to tape the design onto the pumpkin. I don't know yet if I'm going to use a thumbtack to outline it, or if I'm going to use the little roller tool from this other kit. Probably try it out just to see. I don't know. I'm gonna go back to my thumbtack because you have to push so hard. You don't have as much control as you do with just like a regular thumbtack. It may take longer, but at least you'll have more accurate results. I'm just gonna outline it. So here's the outline, and I'm going to attempt to carve it.
Oh, snaps.
Thank you. I put a real candle in it because I didn't know that those LEDs need batteries. But tomorrow I'll get some batteries. This pumpkin was inspired by this guy. So honestly, I didn't know what to expect when I started this, but I feel like it came out pretty good. I guess my only tip would be just go slow, and when you're doing these really tiny little detailed areas, just like carve them out in pieces. You don't have to do this whole piece with like the S and everything. Just cut across here and just like little by little, and that will help a lot without anything breaking. I'm gonna probably soak it, put some oil maybe around the edges and keep it moisturized and keep it clean. If you're a kid watching this, make sure you have some sort of supervision or permission to do this.
You're carving a pumpkin.
I mean, I know, but like I'm using bleach and stuff, so I just have to like say that disclaimer. Please like this video, please share it, and if you would like to make one of these, I have a link below with the pattern that you can just print out for free. So anyways, happy Halloween, guys! Bye! Pumpkin is in its bleach bath overnight. Design side down is what I read. And then in the morning, it'll come out and get oiled. So hopefully it works. But if not, I got some good pictures and videos of it.
It is complete.
Alright, so that's cool.
Whew, stinks like bleach.
Okay, so to keep it from shriveling, you are supposed to line the carved edges with petroleum jelly or vegetable oil.
Petroleum jelly.
Yeah, that's probably better.
And this just seals in the moisture.
Yep, but both are flammable. I should note that because I read that in one article. So yeah, can't use a real candle now that I've done this.
Yeah, we're not using real
Light a
candles.
pumpkin on fire.
Yeah. So use a paintbrush to get between the letters.
Or I need small little things.
Or Q-tip.
Yeah.
Which one's next?
We're gonna do a Fortnite series.
What? Ah!